Okay, we're not doing this no more.
Yes.
Okay, so tell them your name. Say hi.
Hi.
You gotta be energetic. Hi.
I said hi.
Okay. Okay, tell them your name. You're not doing the makeup thing.
Hey, Charlie.
That's not it. No.
Hey, Charlie.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What you gonna do to my face first?
That one.
What is that?
Is this for your face?
For my face?
Yeah.
Okay, put it on my face.
Huh?
Oh Lord. Okay.
Go.
Okay. You gotta put it. You didn't put it in here.
And then here.
That's it. Ooh. Okay.
So that's your face. And the nose. And your head. So you take
Not. No. Not there. No. Right here.
just move my face.
No, it's not your found. It's not your color. It's my color. Okay. Okay. You finished on my face?
No, I'm not finished.
There's so much. Okay. Okay. Put it on the other side.
No, I saw your nose.
In my cheek? No, not on my chest. Right here. No. What color are you gonna do my eyes?
Black, blue. I want that one blue.
The blue or the purple?
That one.
Which one is this one?
That's pink.
This.
It's
You want the pink or the purple?
That one.
That's the purple. On my eyes? Okay.
So what's pink?
That's yellow. No, you can't. You're gonna mix.
Tell me well.
Okay.
That's one.
Do the purple again on this side.
This side? Okay.
Okay. On this side.
This side? Okay. Okay, you can see in the mirror.
I can see in the mirror. Oh wow. All
No,
right.
no,
You gotta put some more purple. You gotta put some more. Okay, it's fine. And you gotta put. Okay. Okay. Put it on the other side.
Second it.
You put some more purple on this side.
This side.
Oh, ow. Okay.
The help.
A little bit, but go ahead. Okay. That's. Yeah, I think that's enough. You're kind of digging into my colors right now. Not my cheeks. No, you don't put purple on my cheeks.
The help.
No, it's fine. Okay. Not my nose. Not my nose. Okay. You didn't do my eyebrows. Are you gonna do my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Yeah, wait. No, not yet.
Now, that's for your eyes.
Huh?
You finish my eyes. That's my eyes. It's not your turn.
Yes.
No. Okay. Oh, perfect. Now do my eyebrows.
Why?
My eyebrows.
Why your eyebrows so okay? The help.
No,
Yeah.
I'm scared. No, you got not to my eyeball. Do my eyebrows.
No,
You see how I feel in my eyebrows? Like this. Look, you see how I do this? Like this.
This and then you go to the.
You're gonna draw my eyebrows.
One,
Okay.
two.
All right. What about the next eyebrow?
The next eyebrow.
Do the next eyebrow. No, the eyebrow. Do my eyebrow, not my eyes.
Oh.
Lord. Okay.
Kiss. Kiss. Pick that up for me. Yeah.
Say please.
Please.
Say, Chris, can you please pick that up for me?
You can pick that up for Dominic. Look, Kiss. She's so pretty. So I got her.
She like puzzle.
Okay. Okay. What about my other eyebrow? Ooh, it's so pretty. You gonna do the other eyebrow?
Yeah.
No, mine, not yours.
Yeah. I hit me for.
Okay.
You're so pretty. Joe.
Okay, you gonna do this
This is for my cheeks.
for your cheeks?
What your cheeks?
No, and I took it to you. I took it to Dominic.
Okay.
My cheeks. Oh, I look pretty.
Show you that.
Okay,
And
that's nice. You can't. Ooh, wow. Okay.
Why your cheeks down?
I need to fix my eyebrows because
I'm not going to fix my
eyebrows are super important.
I fix mine.
And you got me on this black situation too.
Now this is what changing.
Um,
Let me see it. That's pink.
wow. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like this. No, you messed up. You don't put that on your chest. You're gonna do my mask on my eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
Okay, I'm scared. Okay, don't touch it. Put in my eyelashes. Okay,
I hope.
a little bit.
I hope.
Okay, is that it? No, you don't need no more.
I'll go put back.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I forgot to get anything for my lips.
What?
Ask Crystal to get the lipsticks.
Cause there's an acid for her.
Can you say please?
Please.
She said for her. I cannot deal with this little girl.
What color?
Just bring the whole thing of
Pink,
lipstick.
pink.
Pink. Oh, she says pink. Okay.
I said pink willow. I
Okay.
said pink.
Pink.
I said pink.
Okay. You are so like.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here.
This is gonna be hilarious to edit.
Don't touch my cousin. That's my cousin.
Girl, I'm done.
You don't touch my cousin. You better not touch my cousin.
Okay. He's not gonna talk to me. Okay.
Okay, cousin.
Okay. So you're gonna do my lips.
So the lips. I could do this right here.
Touch my cousin.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Oh, I saw you going to see. Because you wanted with sesame nose.
Okay. Thank you.
Touch my cousin.
Okay.
Be nice in the camera.
Ooh, I look gorgeous.
You see it? Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Okay. Do you have to hold my face like that?
Yes.
Oh, wow, okay. And not my cheek. Okay.
Are you crying?
I should be crying. Okay. Is that it? Am I finished?
Not yet.
What else do I need?
You need a purple this.
What is that?
That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do.
Not my cheeks. My cheeks. It don't go in my cheek. Go in my eyes.
To use your tummy.
Can you do this eye? Because it's uneven.
Even butter. Even tummy because even. Even because you because even because even you are the black.
Okay, are you done?
Kiss. You better see this. Kiss.
I'm gonna wait till you're done.
Cause you better see this.
I'm gonna wait till you're done.
I said you should better see this.
I'm gonna wait.
She said.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Okay.
You did tell me routine.
Okay, we done?
No, not yet. Oh man, this one is.
Okay, are we done now?
No, not yet.
What else do you need?
You need that one. Eyelashes because in your eyes. Shoot in your eyes and your mouth. Now you can see the camera.
Now I can see it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So I put my makeup on.
Thank you so much.
I put my makeup on.
Okay, now it's your turn?
Yeah.
All right.
She said you better.
Okay, now see me. Ooh, I look gorgeous.
You look gorgeous. Do.
So I put my.
You look gorgeous even
Let me
with.
put my eyes out.
You look gorgeous without makeup.
Let me put my eyes. Right here, my eyes.
You want to put some on your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Just purple.
No, do pink. You need help?
No, nothing.
Sure.
Gorgeous. No.
Gorgeous, yes. Okay.
Ow.
You hurt yourself. It hurts?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to stop? Do the other eye. Do the other eye. The other eye. Okay, I think you're good.
Maybe gushes.
You want some blush?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Uh-oh.
Fenty. Say Fenty. Fenty. By Rihanna. Ooh, cute. Cute. Ooh. Mm-hmm.
What's next?
What's next? You want some lip gloss?
Yep.
Keep it very neutral since you got pink on the eyes.
Is that?
Put it on your lips. And go like this. You see? Oh, it's very pretty. Very pretty.
Could you see this?
Very pretty. Okay, it's good. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. All right. I think we're done. Ooh, now Chris gotta come take a picture of us, right?
Yeah. Not yet, not yet. Did you get this?
Oh, you gotta do your eyebrows. Do your eyebrows. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. Hold on.
You see?
Don't yell at me. Do your eyebrows. I think you should look in the mirror when you're doing your eyebrows. Your eyebrows is all the way up here. Okay, do your other eyebrow.
Why are you ruining it? Because I'm missing.
Okay, I'm not gonna say that to you no more. Because you're missing the entire brow.
Why?
Your brow is right here.
Why you think you touching my mind?
Okay, I'm not gonna touch your mind. Okay. All right. You finished?
I'm finished next. So what's next?
I think that's it. I think you did everything that you were supposed to do. It's just...
What are you doing?
Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone.
Oh, look at that. Look at this.
Oh, you want some highlighter?
Yeah.
Oh, we done? Okay. I like my face, Charlie. Thank you.
Welcome. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, what? You like?
Purple in my eye.
We look cute, right?
Yes, ma'am. Come on, David.
Call your dad?
Yeah.
Okay, we gonna call your dad.
Yeah.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And kiss, kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Bye.
Bye.